So today we have our friends visiting from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and we are going to Magic Kingdom for the day. Super, super excited because I personally have never been there during Christmas, and I heard that it's absolutely amazing. So we're gonna do a ton of different rides, we're gonna have a bunch of different treats, and it's gonna be a fabulous day. Extremely, extremely excited and can't wait to spend the day with this girl and her snack goal. So that's what we're gonna hit up today.
Yep, look, we got matching, well, they are complement each other.
Yeah.
From Etsy, Minnie Mouse ears, and I got my snack goals going.
And I got my Mickey shirt here. So we are rocking and rolling, super excited, can't wait to get today started.
Here we are.
Yay, we got our day at Magic Kingdom.
Day at Magic Kingdom.
Yay!
So they're parking every other space
Very COVID
for
friendly.
COVID friendly. What do you guys think of the decorations?
It looks so
Awesome, huh?
awesome. Love them.
All right, so what's the first snack gonna be? A spring roll?
Spring rolls, we
Spring
think
rolls.
they're pepperoni and cheeseburger.
Pepperoni spring rolls?
Yeah, I think there's cheeseburger.
There is such a thing.
The spring rolls, cheeseburger and pepperoni.
All right, what'd you guys got?
We got 2 pepperoni and 2 cheeseburger.
1 pepperoni, 1 cheeseburger.
I believe this is the cheeseburger one, right?
Yep.
How is it?
I think
good?
it's the wrong one though.
Try the cheeseburger. We've got a little friend next to us here. What are your thoughts?
Crispy,
Yeah. A little greasy,
a
maybe.
little greasy.
Yeah.
Cheeseburger, definitely better than pepperoni.
It's unique. I haven't had a cheeseburger spring roll before.
Yeah, definitely go
Nor a
cheeseburger.
pepperoni. I'm good.
Now you're smoking golden eggs.
had to settle for hot dogs.
Hot dog time.
An $8 hot dog.
Is it good?
It's okay.
I, Donald John Trump, do solemnly swear that I will faithfully execute the office of President of the United States and will, to the best of my ability, preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the United States. So help me God. From the beginning, America has been a nation defined by its people.
All right, how was the Hall of Presidents?
It was pretty good. I'd say it was pretty fair and balanced for the most part. Good history of the country and the presidency.
Yeah.
A little nervous towards the end. Thought they were gonna just bypass Donald J. Trump. Very uplifting. Very good. Worthwhile.
All right, so we got Splash Mountain's what, 30?
Splash Mountain is a 35-minute wait.
Now last time wasn't bad.
No, and we've been being told that it's sometimes a little off from what the app tells you, so we're going to time it and see how accurate this is.
Cool. I think we were, what, 32 minutes last time?
Yeah.
And it said 45 for the Pirates of the Caribbean. When's the last time you rode this?
Last time I rode this was whenever I was 10 years old, and I had to ride it by myself because I visited Disney World with my grandma and my mom. So it's been a hot minute since I've been on a ride like this, and I'm a little nervous. But Matt tells me it'll be fine, so we're gonna go for it.
Yeah, it'll be fine.
I get wet.
Yeah.
I put my head down.
Did you really?
Yeah, Splash Mountain, still the same as it was when I was 9 years old. Nothing's really changed. I love it. It's probably my favorite ride here at the Magic Kingdom. Anytime I'm here, I'll be on that.
We are extremely excited. We're heading to the Seven Dwarfs ride, which none of us have ever been on. Apparently it's about 6 years old, so one of the newer attractions. A little bit of a wait, but that's okay.
It's a long wait. It's like 80 minutes.
It is, but it's gonna be worth it. We just ate a little snack, had some chicken fingers at Pinocchio's restaurant. That was cute.
Yeah, that was actually convenient.
It was very convenient.
If you're looking for just something to eat
Yeah.
and something,
You have to order in advance though on your phone.
yes.
Might sound a little weird and inconvenient, but it really is nice.
All right, so this line looks pretty long. 65 minutes. We'll see. It's gonna be every bit of that. That's it?
That's it!
Oh my god. I can't believe I waited all that
Look,
time.
they're so white. Alright, so let me fix myself here. The Space Mountain ride is definitely neat. The effects and aesthetics, everything is phenomenal. It's a little jerky though. It reminds me of a roller coaster from the early 90s, so that is the only part that I would be a little cautious of. Other than that, great ride.
Dan, 2 thumbs up. 2 thumbs up.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can't.
What'd you think of today?
It was fun.
Good time?
Good time, lots of fun.
Heck yeah. Really neat lit up at night. I mean, we had a professional photographer with us today with his new iPhone 12, capturing some cool shots. So be sure to check out our Epcot video too coming up.
We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Here we go. All right.
Dance, dance,
Now this
dance,
Christmas, we're gonna dance.
we're gonna
Okay.
dance, dance, dance,
Come on.
dance. We're gonna dance, dance,